Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How y'all doing? So I'm so excited about today's video. So I'm sure you already know by the thumbnail what today's video is all about. So before we get into today's video, if you're new tuning in into my folk that rock with me, I know it's been a while, so let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. Yes, boo, welcome. If you're new tuning in, I want to just let you guys know that I want you to be one of my tulips, and it's absolutely free. All you have to do is just click that subscribe button and then hit that bell's notification so that you can stay updated on new videos that are released. And lastly, show your girl some love, some support, and give this video a great big thumbs up. Boom. All right, you guys. So listen, you guys, I feel like I sound like a broken record. I am a minimalist now when it comes to my hair. I learned a lot about my hair when I was a locked natural. I found that my hair didn't require a lot of products at all, and I want to maintain that. I do not want to become a product J like I had when I was a loose natural prior to becoming a locked natural, and now I'm a loose natural again. So it is important to me that you do still continue to use a shampoo, a conditioner, and maybe even a deep treatment mask. But all those butters and creams and all of that, I'm just not feeling all of that. I'm not feeling all of that. However, I do know certain things you got to have a baseline that you need for your hair. But I'm just not going to go crazy and wild for all that stuff like I had done in the past, okay? Very minimum and affordable. Anyway, with that being said, you guys know that I have been wearing a lot of protective style here lately because I also had a taper cut in which my hair is growing out from. And so in between braids and with braids, I got to keep this hair clean, honey. Alright? So in order to be able to do that, I decided to try out the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger. And the reason that I decided to purchase this particular product, because as I mentioned, I do wear a lot of protective styles and I have been wearing them back to back, specifically braids. And it's so easy for your hair to just get a little overwhelmed with braids, just because a lot of the weight that comes with wearing braids, which is one of the reasons why I prefer to keep mine short and not long, because the longer they are, to me, in my opinion, the heavier that they are. Although I do love long braids, I like the short ones too. Plus it's about to get hot, so I don't want all that hair all down on my butt and past my butt into my kneecaps, into my ankles. Girl, stop. Plus I can't use the bathroom with all that type of long hair. So I do prefer my braids short, but the long ones are absolutely beautiful as well. Anyway, I wanted to make sure that I am keeping moisture locked into my hair and have as little breakage as possible when I do take out my braids, okay? So that was the reason that I purchased this particular product. And at the time of when I purchased it, it was affordable for me, and that was probably because I caught it at sale price. I believe I paid $9 per bottle. So let's just jump right into it. You guys know by now I like to start from the outside in. So first thing is, what captured my eye is the color. I absolutely love this kind of turquoise bluish color with a little gold and green on it, and I love anything floral. So I saw that first. It really captured my attention. Both of these bottles, and you guys may not be able to tell, but both of these bottles are a 12 floral ounce. So let's start with the shampoo first, because it'll just make for an easier process. The shampoo is sulfate free. You guys, the shampoo is infused with avocado and ginger. And the purpose of the shampoo is to hydrate your hair. Use this product is absolutely easy. The only thing you need to do is wet your hair and then apply the shampoo to your hair and of course to your scalp, because you want a clean scalp. Once you've done that, then you want to just go ahead and wash the shampoo out of your hair. After you have done that, then you want to follow up with the conditioner. The purpose of the conditioner that goes hand in hand with the shampoo, it is formulated to deliver moisture and hydration to condition every hair strand. So after you wash your shampoo out, you definitely want to apply the conditioner to your hair. And just like the shampoo is extremely easy to use, extremely easy to do. After you wash the shampoo out, you want to apply the conditioner to your hair, and you want to allow the conditioner to sit on your hair for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you wash it out. FYI, with both of these products, you want to keep out of reach of children. You guys, you don't want children to ingest this or get this in their eyes or any other sensitive areas of their body. Also, you want to be mindful yourself not to get this product in your eye, because baby, it ain't gonna feel good, okay? It's gonna burn if you get these in your eyes, so definitely don't get it in your eyes. You can also tell the difference between the two here. The shampoo is more of a clear product, and I don't know if you can really tell. It's like a clearish, yellowish, goldish color here, versus the conditioner is more of a white, creamy color. So that's the difference in the shampoo and conditioner, more so just the color. I have to be honest with you guys though, I'm not a fan of the smell. I don't like the scent. I think it has more of that gingerish scent to it more than anything, and I think that's why I don't really like it like that. The scent will linger for about a day or two, and then after that it would have subsided. Let's get into the texture of the shampoo. Oh, let me just say this, you guys, because it's very important. There is child-proof tops on both the shampoo and conditioner. So if you do have a child that can't read and they try to get any of the product, the tops lock. So you will most certainly have to follow the direction on the top to know which way to turn the top in order to access the product. So that's going to be very important. If you're one of those people who wash their hair in the shower, please make sure you unlock this before you begin washing your hair, because I would hate for water and all that getting your eyeballs and you trying to open this up, okay? Okay, so I'm just going to put a little of the shampoo on my hand just to give you an idea of the texture. Again, you guys, it is a clear consistency, and it's not really thick. It does give you a little bit of sud when you include water with it. Let's check out the conditioner here. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to unlock the conditioner. And I think my conditioner top is broke, y'all. It is. I think I broke it from using it. So I do apologize. So I can't get it out the conventional way. I can't get it out through the pump because I broke the top. But this is the conditioner. I just kind of pulled it out of its bottle. And it has a creamy consistency to it, as you guys can see here. I have been using this product now for about 2 months. So yes, this is initially, for the sake of today's video, a initial review. I'm still not quite sure how I feel about the product. I'm not 100% sure, but what I can tell you guys from my experience of using it for the last 2 months, 1 or 2 months, 2 months, pre-braids and after braids, pre-braids, with braids, after braids, my hair feels very clean. Okay, so this product, it does leave my hair feeling very moisturized and not stripped at all. This is my first time ever using a Mielle shampoo and conditioner, because I've never used their shampoo and conditioner in the past. Just a little bit more about this particular line that's very important, because it's important to me. It has no parabens, no paraffins, no sulfates, no animal testing, no mineral oil. You guys, This product is absolutely easy to find. You can find it in your local grocery store, your local beauty supply store, or you can go online and you can purchase it. I purchased mine in my local grocery store. I did catch it on sale. As mentioned in the beginning, I paid $9 per bottle, so $18 for the pair. However, that does not include taxes. Depending on where you live, pricing could be different. I also found that you can find this product online. You can go to the Mielle website, or you can go to other websites in which I'll have listed down in the description box below. Do I recommend that you guys try this product out? I have to say, thus far from using this product, it has been good to my hair. So I do recommend that you at least give this shampoo and conditioner a try to see how you like it for your hair. If you've tried the Mielle Hawaiian and Ginger RX shampoo and conditioner, please share your thoughts about what you thought about it down in the description box, down in the comment section box below, because you guys know I do like to chit chat. So yeah, so that concludes today's initial review. I'll see you toodles in the next one. Smooches.